In this video, we will see how to deploy BMC Helix Service Management using BMC Helix Deployment Engine. This BMC Helix Deployment Engine tool is all about making your BMC Helix Service Management deployment way easier. In this video, we will focus on these 5 main areas. To start with engine overview, let's know what BMC Helix Deployment Engine is and what it actually does. To begin with, the BMC Helix Deployment Engine helps automate the deployment of BMC Helix applications to your Kubernetes environment. It acts as the central place from where deployments are managed. It consists of 3 primary tools: Git, the Git server for deployment artifacts; Jenkins Master, the CI/CD engine; and Jenkins Agent, a build worker equipped with Ansible, Helm, and kubectl. These tools work together to automate the deployment process. Let's now look at the prerequisites. Environmental requirements include a separate dedicated namespace, a storage class with read-write-once permissions, Linux-based virtual machine and container images. Also, you do not require full access to the entire cluster. Instead, you need permissions to create, update, read, list, and delete resources such as deployments, services, and secrets. For more information about the complete requirements and permissions, see the product documentation. Let's actually look at how you can configure it. This is where you'll kick off the deployment script execution. Log in to the deployment VM, and head into the deployment engine config.env file. This is where you'll define your namespace, your local registry details, and your Jenkins and Git credentials. You'll also need to set a strong Jenkins password for the admin user, and finally provide the path to the kube-config file. After the config file is all set, running the deployment is easy. Just follow these 3 steps. 1. Log in to deployment VM. 2. Verify the config file. 3. Run the deployment engine.sh script. After the setup is complete, open the Jenkins dashboard to verify that the deployment pipelines are available. Basically, there are 3 ways to access the UI. For any production environment, use ingress. That's the recommended way. If ingress is unavailable for any reason, use the external IP. If you just want to test the environment, use port forwarding. After the validation is successful, your deployment engine setup is complete and ready to deploy BMC Helix Service Management applications. For more information, check the link in the description to view the complete product documentation at docs.bmc.com. Thank you for watching.